How to fix microphone not working in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Start menu and then search for Device Manager. Now, after this interface appears, you will have to find microphone. If you can find a separate option for microphone, go over there. If not, you will get it in the audio inputs and output section. Double click on it and then you will see an option of microphone array. All you have to do is right click on it and then select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, and then what next is, if the problem still does not fix, simply disable the uninstall the driver and then reinstall it back. And that should fix your problem. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.